guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serena here, back with another video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now we're not in the bag along talking, so let's get into this video.
Hey fans!
Okay guys, so during the video it looks a bit blurry as well as there's noise in the background. I do apologize for that in advance. I did not focus my camera and I forgot to turn the TV on. But don't worry, the content is still fire and I hope you guys really do enjoy it. Thank you for tuning in.
OnlyFans.
Okay, so we're joined by Tia Smooth again and her, Cherise. Her.
That's not the way to introduce Cherise.
Okay, let me start over. Okay, so we're joined by Tia and we're joined by Cherise.
Hey!
And we're gonna play the Mount Guard Challenge. It is another game that is very popular on YouTube, and basically you have the Mount Guard in, and the persons that are playing with you, they have to guess what you're trying to say, and you have a limited amount of time to guess, really. So we're gonna shuffle the cards, and each person is going to take a card. We cannot look what their cards are saying, like can't see what they're saying. It's gonna be difficult, but
Our first one is I need paper towel because I put the saliva on my drink. Honey, oh gosh, no,
Okay.
we're ready for this.
so here's a timer.
So, yeah, hey.
You say that then.
Okay,
You
and
say
I had that content. Okay. Ready? Honey, it hot.
Hanani.
Oh, honey, it's not.
Part of me needs
No, honey, it
No, you need what other time still? What was it?
Margarine is not butter.
Bruce Jenner got a cardigan.
loose
Bush, you're not gonna cardigan.
loose
Bruce runner. Runner.
loose banner.
Bruce.
Lois.
No, under the unharmed heartstring.
Bruce Jenner.
Bruce.
Not runner. Runner.
Bruce Banner.
Got a cardigan.
Got a cardigan.
It's nice. It's nice.
Her girl. Her.
Huh?
Her.
I think so, yeah.
Her girl.
Hillgren.
Pilgrim.
And
Pilgrim. Yeah, do the timer.
Sour.
Pilgrim under Mayflower. Oh, can we see it?
You know,
You have to shuffle your card. You have to shuffle it. Anytime you get it, like me get it, you have to shuffle it.
let me do mine again then. Park.
Marky Mark in a pretty park.
That's it.
I didn't actually, honestly. Oh wow. I think we could understand.
It's a okay.
This is Mr. Bombastic.
Oh, you're a good man.
I did not.
Wait.
That's good.
Don't skip on my shrimp.
Don't shrimp on my skin.
No,
Don't shrimp on my shrimp.
Don't skip
on my shrimp.
Not skip. Skip.
Don't
Skip.
skip on my shrimp.
Long cleaners are the better.
Huh? Go again.
How large is your sweater?
You deserve better.
What the hell?
Black Briters deserve.
Black Widow
Deserve better.
Oh, Black Widow deserve better.
Okay.
Harsh or hyena?
Pepperfish.
Harsh or hyena?
Pepperfish or hyena?
Harsh or hyena?
Hyena, last word. No?
I don't know one day. That time run out.
Pufferfish are poisonous.
Oh, pepperfish or
Pufferfish
pufferfish
are poisonous. Oh Lord, this is crazy.
Hurry up, here's Hurry up, here's
Worry not.
Hurry
Molly,
up,
not.
up, here's nothings.
Molly not miffle nothings.
Hurry up,
Little nothing.
Rails.
Labels nothing.
Rails.
Labels nothing.
Molly mocked Mabel's maple enough.
Wow. Can't get that.
Gonna get out of there.
Man.
Huh?
Me now go there.
I know Papa lady.
Right? Under the river bottom.
$1
$1 million lobster. $1 million.
$1
$1 million. $1 billion.
Not oyster.
Oyster. Shrimp oyster. Ricoster.
$1 billion.
Something, sir.
Yeah.
Oyster.
Lackluster. Lackluster.
Me see it.
Blockbuster.
Oyster.
Blockbuster. $1 billion.
No,
billion dollar blockbuster.
Actual eater article.
Asher.
Actual eaters articles.
Summer Chronicles.
Actual beavers
Beavers, right?
articles.
Chronicle, right? Chronicle.
Actual eaters articles.
Chronicles.
Articles.
Barnacle.
Barnacles.
Actual eaters that
Asher leaners like barnacle.
Bashful beavers bite barnacles.
Oh my gosh.
I think
Couldn't
they're
get
rhyme it up. They're not easy enough.
Each side of you and Lantern Crawler crew.
What?
Each side of you and Lantern Crawler crew.
Beachside view. What happened?
The Lantern Crawler crew.
Beachside view with my mountainside crew.
Lantern Crawler.
Mountain cloud.
Crawler.
Therefore, let's go on, man.
climb beachside view with my mountain club crew.
Oh.
They are trying to say, bah, but it's never gonna it be worth them now work.
On after tea.
What?
On after tea.
Some about teeth.
On after tea.
Run after the teeth.
On.
Yawn after the teeth.
Learn.
On.
Run.
On.
Born after the teeth.
On.
Moon.
Down after the teeth.
On.
Zone after the teeth.
On.
Loans.
On at the teeth. Bone at the teeth.
Oh, bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Uh-huh.
Arrows.
The white Honda Civic parking area backside.
Arrows.
Milk cold.
You got a lunch?
Arrows.
Mouth full of marbles.
Yeah. Mouth full of marbles.
Gatorade. They're ignorant nor harking hermit.
Gatorade ignore my hawking hermit.
No. Meter.
Meter.
Grade.
Made.
Oops. Meter. Grade.
Meter made.
Very.
Very. Mary.
Ignore.
Are
Harking.
her heart.
Harking.
My parking.
Parking.
Ticket. No, hurts. Hurry.
Permit.
Mary ignored her parking permit.
Meter made Mary ignored my parking permit.
Okay.
That was a mouthful. Literally.
They are a mouthful.
North Carolina.
Wait a second.
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Mark Poda.
North Carolina.
Mark, go to hell.
North Carolina.
Mark Cordwell.
You need Colgate.
More.
Carolina.
More color.
Carolina.
More color.
Carolina. Carolina.
No time out.
Ring.
More bell. More time.
Calling.
More cowbell.
More
That's a cowbell.
You seem like you're paying, sis. Come on.
It's a Cordwell. Legal lock. Oh, good. Purple blood.
Legal lag local bird.
Legal lock. With purple blood.
Something with her blood.
How am I gonna say so?
Dig
Big.
rock with purple blood.
Dig the dog with her blood.
Dig rock log with her purple blood.
I want a menage. Sorry.
Big black bug with purple blood.
Oh my god. That is far from what I thought.
Oh my god.
Nothing like
Nothing like
That come on straighty.
Tiger King
Tiger King.
during quarantine.
during quarantine. What the hell was that? Nothing like Tiger King during quarantine.
She said she was a good one. That was a good one.
That was a more than good one.
Nothing like Tiger King during quarantine. You wanna watch
Nothing
it?
like, yeah.
I haven't.
Everybody. Nothing like Tiger King during quarantine. Oh, you can't say that.
Sure.
She lost her raptor.
Velociraptor.
She lost her raptor.
She lost a raptor.
She lost her raptor.
Selassie.
She lost a raptor.
She who?
She lost
She
her raptor.
lost her laughter.
She lost her raptor.
She
Come
lost.
on, Lord.
She lost her raptor.
She lost her raptor.
She lost a raptor.
He lost her raptor.
Velociraptor.
What is it?
Raptor. Philosopher. Wow.
Velociraptor.
What?
Velociraptor.
Yeah, I want to
Velociraptor.
Got Hanky Horse Contact channel.
Wait. So that was it.
That was it. And
Please like,
comment, share.
subscribe.
And don't forget to follow them at
Tia_Samuda on Instagram.
and
Too cute _876.
and follow me at Hey Siri on Instagram and Hey Siri _ on Twitter. And I'll see you next weekend in my next video.
Peace out.
Bye.